Okay, we're on the north side of Quail Creek Reservoir. This is the bluff, and I'm gonna hike down and fish this shore down here. It is a beautiful, cloudy day with a little bit of sprinkling rain. I think that's gonna be fantastic for fishing, but I could be wrong. So, let's go find out. Okay, we're almost down here. Looks like a good place to start in this shallows. I'm gonna try a few casts with a inline spinner, just get some distance out there, cover some water. Faster, shallower than I thought. What in the world? I'm gonna call that erosion. That or Sasquatch throwing rocks at me. So I'm gonna try the flicker shad for a little while. It's such a versatile lure. Let's see if I have any. It might be a little too shallow, but we'll try it. I just discovered a beaver den. Oh, where's he gonna go? Where'd he go? I can hear it. There he goes. Number two. There's another one. Can you hear it? There he goes. Number three. Is there another one? Yep. You just heard the splash. Well, that was kind of fun. You probably didn't see it on the camera because of the reflection off the lake, but I just spooked 3 beavers. Boy, I ticked them beavers off, a whole family of beavers. They're out there smacking the tail and probably scaring every fish. Oh, fish on. There we go. That's a decent one. That'd be a keeper. All right. There we go. Yeah. 11, 12 inches or so. Skunk is off. Quail Creek Reservoir, fall trout. There he goes. I'll take it. There we are. Yeah, another little rainbow. There you go. You hit it on the fall. Easy, easy, easy. Just want to get a little picture. Okay. There we go. that's a good one. That's a good one. There we go. He's not too fat, more slender. It's still pretty slow. It's not as active as I thought it would be. I think it's a location thing. All right, anglers, quick little morning session here, Quail Creek, and I caught my limit +1, but it was a lot slower than I thought it would be. I think it's location. I think this north bank or this north end down here just isn't as good when the water's low like this. Best way to fish it's in a boat, kayak, get out there to some deeper water. But anyway, it can be done. Till next time, tight lines.